In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Fresha appointment effectively and efficiently. Let's dive right into the process of cancelling an appointment on Fresha, a platform beloved by businesses and individuals for its seamless booking system. However, sometimes plans change and you might find yourself needing to cancel a booking. Whether you're a business owner or a client, this guide is here to assist you through every step. Firstly, navigate to Fresha's dedicated portal for businesses at https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This is where all the magic begins for business users. You'll find everything you need for managing appointments here, but today we're focusing specifically on cancellation. Upon reaching the website, you'll see an option to log in. Click on the login button. This is your gateway into your Fresha business account where you can manage appointments among other things. After you click on login, you'll notice a distinction between accounts. Choose for business to ensure you're entering the platform with the correct credentials and access level needed for managing business appointments. Now this is where things start to get a bit more personalized. You'll be prompted to sign in using Google. It's a convenient feature for those who have linked their Google accounts, saving you time and the hassle of remembering another password. Just click on this option to proceed. Once you've clicked, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the Google account that is associated with your Fresha account. It's crucial that you select the correct account to successfully manage your business operations on Fresha. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your calendar. You can find it directly by following this link, https://partners.fresha.com/calendar. The calendar is where all your scheduled appointments are neatly organized, making it easy for you to view and manage them. In your calendar, look for the appointment you wish to cancel. Once you've located it, you need to double click on that specific appointment. This action will bring up the appointment details, giving you several options to manage this booking. Among the available options, you'll see booked. This signifies the current status of the appointment. Click on booked to proceed with the cancellation process. It's a straightforward indicator of the appointment's confirmation status and the starting point for any modifications, including cancellations. Next, you'll see the option to cancel the appointment. Click on cancel to initiate the cancellation. It's a necessary step to inform all parties involved that this appointment will not be going forward as planned. After you decide to cancel, you'll be asked to choose a cancellation reason. It's a considerate detail that helps maintain transparency and communication between businesses and their clients. Select the reason that best fits your situation. Finally, to complete the cancellation process, you have to confirm your action. Do this by clicking on Cancel Appointment. It's the last step in ensuring that the appointment is conclusively cancelled, freeing up your schedule, and informing your clients or service providers accordingly. And that concludes the process of cancelling a Fresha appointment. It's a quick and hassle-free procedure that helps maintain clear communication and organisation within the Fresha platform. Remember, it's always best to cancel as early as possible to give everyone involved ample time to adjust their schedules. And if you're on the client side of things, always check the cancellation policy of the service provider to understand any potential fees or limitations. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're managing a bustling business or scheduling personal services, knowing how to navigate these changes smoothly on Fresha makes all the difference.